So hey guys, Christian this side. So as I was wandering on the net for searching for some good stuff, so there I come across with a very different and very unusual type of article which I thought I'm never gonna find out, but you never know what happened in this world. So I found out a title named 10 Ways Mikasa Ruined Her Likability. So, as you have guessed, it was given by CBR. If you don't know, CBR is a channel or a page which gives opinion about each and everything that exists in the world. You name them, and they are going to give you their opinion, which nobody cares. Like, you don't care about my opinion, and nobody cares about their opinion. But this title was a little bit different, so I thought, why not? I give my opinion to their opinion.
What did he say?
And let's see why they say Mikasa ruined her likability. And also, don't forget to have your water with you. And I definitely need a glass of water there. It's definitely too hot in here.
Nobody cares.
It's actually, I don't know how much degree, but it's pretty hot in here.
Nobody cares.
And I have to record without the fan or anything because then there's going to be audio in the video.
Nobody cares.
So that's why. So anyways, let's get to the topic. Attack on Titan 10 ways Mikasa ruined her likability. First of all, how can you hate her? And CVR, I don't know. I get the first two pictures, but why there is Sasha in it? Sasha is not Mikasa, I just see, or I didn't watch it properly. So, I don't tell Mikasa. Look, I said they have their opinion on everything. So, okay. Where is 10? Oh, Mikasa threw Sasha into the bus in front of Shady's after Eren and Jean fight. Okay, fans remember the epic details. Fast forward, no. Okay, so I think they are talking about the time when Mikasa said that Sasha parted. So I would say it was definitely a fun part. Like it doesn't, it, like I would say it didn't ruin her reputation least bit, but it was pretty funny to see that Mikasa crack a joke. Well, it was pretty funny joke, and Sasha character was that who can fit to that joke. So yeah, I would say that it didn't do anything. Like it was a normal casual joke, but I don't think it ruined her likability, but it made her, like, it tells about more Mikasa that how much he cares about Eren in that part. So I don't get what's the point. So yeah, it was totally point. I don't get it. Like it's actually 5 in the morning and I thought it will be quiet, but the dogs are still barking. Cannot get a peace in this world. So what's at night? Mikasa's cold demeanor makes her appear more like Eren Seeger. Then okay. So let me just read the description of the intensity of the commitment that Mikasa makes to Eren Yeager is admirable as it's unlikely the fact that she is able to throw her life on the line of friendship with discomfort courage. On the other hand, the only reason we can for Eren wholeheartedly is because she is little. Okay. So that's a pretty bold statement. So let me tell you, see here, that there is two different things. What you are saying that Mikasa only cares about Eren and she doesn't think about anyone else in the whole world in Attack on Titan universe. So let me tell you, if you haven't watched Attack on Titan, she do care about many other, and if you haven't read manga or like, okay, I would agree that she has like more favor toward Eren, but she still care about her other comrades. If she doesn't care, she's not going to cry when Sasha died. Huh? That makes sense. I think you should watch AOT before telling these things. I think they have just read something like, there's some meme that say that Mikasa just care about Eren and no one other. So I don't like this thing. Like many people say just she just care about Eren. Okay, so there is going to be some favorability because he saved her when she was child. So yeah, so she just indebted to Eren, so she will prioritize her over everything. But she also care about other things. She also care about Armin very much also, and his other Levi squad, whole Levi squad she cares about. So yeah, I think that second point is just offendable. I would say it's not anything, but it didn't ruin her likability. And I don't know who made this. I don't think there is any person who hate Mikasa. Okay, so coming at number 8 is along with the scout regiment, Mikasa and Eren committed genocide in Mali. So again, they are saying that Mikasa and like the Eren whole Marley first arc, season 4 first arc, where they massacre Marley people, it ruined her likability. How? Let me just read. I'm gonna come back. One of the ways that Mikasa bent to the will of Eren. Oh, that thing, just the thing that the will of Eren Yeager. I don't. It's just pointless to say. Only the entire scout regiment is all, but that doesn't exclude individual character responsibility number of. Okay, first of all, there wasn't a choice, because if you haven't read the manga, so I'm not gonna go through the manga part. If it gonna be a spoiler, so I'm just gonna say that you have watched anime, so you have known that the Marley was the responsible for the 22,000 people. I think the first episode, if you have watched the first episode of Attack on Titan, 22,000 people died in the first attack that Reiner or Bertolt did. I'm just telling. And Levi squad, whole Levi squad, the first Levi squad, I'm telling, like Petra and others, they died. And how many recruit died when Erwin died also, like the final battle, Shiganshina, when they took back Shiganshina, how many people died. And I think it's 100% fair what they did. Okay, little bit of in the heart, they should have killed the innocent, but it's their last war. Uh, it's their last war, so war has casualties, and that's the fun part of the show. So, and first of all, what's this photo? I find it pretty hilarious because they are talking about the season 4 part and they are using season 1 photo, and when she was even smaller. But that aside, what I don't think, mm, I don't think they have watched the anime, so I don't know who made this. So like, I think the person made this really does hate Attack on Titan or Mikasa in general, because there's no sense to it. So coming at number 7 is Mikasa stopped Armin for standing up for her after Eren revealed himself as a traitor. Okay, so that's it. When Eren said Oh, because I've always hated you ever since I was a child. Yeah, I get that. Mikasa stopped Armin. Well, that was surprising for me also. But that was, I would say, her natural reflexes because ever since she was kid, her only goal was to protect Eren. She doesn't want Eren to get hurt. So when you have to understand, no, when he said he hated her, she was overflowed with emotions at that time. So she wasn't rational. She stopped Armin as her natural reflexes so that Eren could not get hurt. If you have watched anime, I'm telling you again, what's that? It's number 7. I'm telling you like it's 10, 9, 8. It's the fourth time I'm telling you. If you have watched anime, every time Eren get hurt, you will see Mikasa jumping. Like, take season 4. You're talking about season 4 when Eren got back to the ship, the airship, when Levi kicked him. Mikasa's reaction, if you saw Mikasa trying to save him every time when he get hit. So it's natural reflection and it doesn't ruin her likability a bit. Even made her more sympathetic because Eren just stood her up. Yeah, and nobody's gonna think about anything because the scene was way too intense for thinking about these small things. Okay, so again, watch the anime before making these things. I'm not gonna read this. There was some Eren Wills again. Okay, so coming at number 3, Jean Love was overlooked by the beautiful Akkaman, who consistently again. Now this one is just plain up stupid. If you have watched romance anime, there is always a short-haired girl which get rejected, and in this is not even an romance anime. So okay, I get Jean love Mikasa. There's no need for her to be loving him. Is there? Tell me one reason that she should love him back. Because she loved Eren from the start. That was clear. Jean loved Mikasa. Mikasa doesn't love Jean. And what do you mean by overlook? It was the main story. If you have, I cannot bring manga, but if you have watched, you get that the main ship is like Annie and Armin and Eren and Mikasa, but they didn't give that much attention also because the main thing is story. And the thing you are talking about, Jean or Mikasa, they are the side, like they are like one or two supporter of that ship. And why would they give time to love stories when they didn't give time to the main love story? Why would they give time to like a love story that you want, that nobody wants? I don't think anybody wants to see Jean and Mikasa together, except for Jean. Yeah. Water break. Drinking water is the best feeling when you're thirsty. You should try something sometimes.